Hi, and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly install your new timber-style Venetians. Your blinds will arrive ready to go, so it's a good idea to first check you have all the parts by identifying them on the instruction sheet provided. Installations can vary slightly depending on your order, so be sure to follow the instruction sheet carefully, and if you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with one of our friendly support staff. First, use a pencil to mark where you're going to position the bracket, then drill the screws to fasten. In most scenarios, the screws provided will be suitable to mount the brackets. However, if you need to fix the blind into a window lintel or into masonry, you may need to source more appropriate screws or wall plugs. Press the headrail into the brackets, then press the gate down until it clicks into place. To finish the installation, attach the Velcro strips on the back of the valance to the Velcro strips on the top of the headboard. Remember, all blinds need to be fitted with a child safety device, so please read the requirements on the instruction sheet. And that's it. New timber Venetians installed in no time at all. It really is that easy at the Curtain and Blind Company.